Cory Vidanes, and GMA Senior Vice President for Program and Account Management Worldwide and Support Group and President and CEO of GMA Films, Attorney Annette Closet Valdez. Good evening, Tita Cory and Attorney Annette. This is it.
Housemates, mga kapuso, mga kapamilya, oras na para pangalanan kung sino ang binoto ng taong bayan para maging kapamilya at kapuso second big placers at kapamilya at kapuso big winners. Tita Cory and Attorney Annette, I have the results with me. Please do the honors.
Ang kapuso, second big placer, ay nakakuha ng 24.25% of the total combined kapuso votes.
At ang kapamilya, second big placer, ay nakakuha ng 22.26% of the total combined kapamilya votes.
Ang kapuso big winner ay nakakuha ng 61.78% of the total combined
Ay nakakuha ng 53.63% of the total combined kapamilya votes.
Congratulations dahil kayo ang kapuso at kapamilya second big placers!
What? Wow.
Mga kapuso at kapamilya, our second big placers, ang fighting prince ng Taguig,